How does emotional intelligence contribute to building trust in personal and professional relationships?
Emotional intelligence plays a crucial role in building trust by enhancing self-awareness, empathy, and effective communication. When individuals understand and manage their emotions and empathize with others, they create an environment of transparency, reliability, and authenticity that fosters trust.
What are some practical ways to demonstrate emotional intelligence in personal and professional interactions to establish trust?
Practical ways to demonstrate emotional intelligence include active listening, acknowledging others' feelings, and responding empathetically. Engage in open and honest communication, practice vulnerability, and show understanding and support during difficult moments to build trust.
In what ways can leaders use emotional intelligence to establish trust with their teams and inspire loyalty and commitment?
Leaders can establish trust by demonstrating emotional intelligence through transparency, consistency, and a genuine interest in team members' well-being. They should lead by example, provide feedback with empathy, and create an inclusive and emotionally safe environment that fosters loyalty and commitment.
How can emotional intelligence be used to rebuild trust in relationships that may have been damaged due to misunderstandings or conflicts?
Emotional intelligence can help rebuild trust by acknowledging and taking responsibility for one's actions, demonstrating empathy, and actively working to repair the relationship. Listening to others' perspectives, offering sincere apologies, and making changes based on feedback are essential steps in rebuilding trust.
What are some long-term strategies individuals can adopt to consistently apply emotional intelligence and maintain trust in their personal and professional relationships?
Consistently applying emotional intelligence requires ongoing practice. Individuals can adopt long-term strategies by seeking self-awareness through self-reflection and feedback, continuously honing their empathy skills, and valuing open and honest communication as a foundation for trust in both personal and professional relationships.
Hello viewers. If you enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button. Your likes encourage me to create more content that you'll love. I truly value your thoughts and feedback, so please take a moment to share your valuable comments in the comment section below. Your comments help me improve and shape the future videos on this channel. To stay updated with more exciting videos and to support my channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, so they can join our wonderful community too. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for spending your valuable time watching this video. Your support means the world to me. Thank you, and I look forward to bringing you more fantastic content in the future.